So I always have the toughest time picking between the Ram Breezy and the Bloody Cat. Now, is it a Ram Breezy kind of day or is it a Bloody Cat kind of day? Usually it's easy because it's usually this one that, you know, I love the Hellcats, you know, that's just my thing. Hellcat King without question. But the Ram Breezy sometimes is a lot more, I wouldn't say comfortable, but like, I don't know, it just depends on the day and what I'm doing throughout the day. But we're going to take the Bloody Cat. Let's just end that whole story, make it a long story short, baby. Damn. Now that's why I like taking the Bloody Cat, baby. So now we are here to bring back the MacBook, and then there goes my case for my old MacBook. Got to pick that up. So we're gonna drop this joint off. I told you I was gonna return this joint, bring it back, and then yeah, I'll see you in a minute. So I dropped off the new MacBook, returned that joint, and left out with a shredder right there. Y'all see that red tag right there? There it goes, bam. That's the open box tag, so that means you get a little extra discount. I'm gonna need that, man. You know, but cheap person, I like to get everything free or pretty damn close to free, G Squad. Y'all know that, man. But now we gotta pick up my old MacBook that got repaired, the battery and all that stuff, man. So without further ado, and we got some good news about the Hellkeezy too, baby. You know, before they tried to say that I couldn't get my parts off my Hellcat. I can't technically buy back my Hellcat because of the lease. So they said it's real rare for a person that's under a lease to be able to buy out their car from the place that, you know, is leasing you the car or whatever. So I'd have to call them and see. So it's not a for certain thing right now, but the insurance said that it's usually pretty rare when they let you buy it back, at least even if it's crashed or whatever. So yeah, that's out of the question right now for what it's looking like, G Squad. I know a lot of y'all in the comment section were saying buy it back, buy it back, buy it back, do a rebuild. That would be a crazy thing as far as like for content and all that stuff, but I'm not no handy dandy dude, y'all know that, man. So I'd have to have like somebody I know doing that kind of stuff. So yeah, it don't look like it's happening for one because they're saying that, and the other part is I would have to have somebody do all that stuff for me to get the Hellkeezy back together, which wouldn't be a bad thing because like I said, that'd be content. So it'd take a lot of money, but hey, it'd be done, it'd be good content. I'd make the money back from the content being pushed out. But it's looking like I won't be able to do it because that's what the insurance company said. So I got to call the place that leased me the car, and I got to have another conversation with them. I also have to send them, get my leasing agreement from them, send it to insurance. It's a whole like long process. A lot of sitting on the phone. Trust me, I tell you, I hate doing that kind of shit. But anyway, man, not done running errands. I'll see y'all in 1 minute. What am I thinking? I can't, you know, it just end the vlog like that without starting up the I was gonna say Hellkeezy again, the Bloody Cat for y'all, baby. All right, y'all, now we have the laptop, everything's fixed. We're gonna put this joint right next to this young paper shredder slash card shredder and all that stuff. But yeah, let me show y'all, man. The joint actually work up, only cost $250 just about too, and we all the way good to go, baby. And we got a BMW M joint that literally parked right next to me. It's not that bad when it's another car person that comes way out their way to park next to you. And make sure you subscribe to my brother, Life with Jeremy Barrett. All the info's in the description below. Instagrams and all that stuff. Make sure I hit them up there. But park way in the back of the move. Car still parked next to me, but it's a car dude, so or a car woman. Either way it goes, thumbs up, man. Did you hear the thumbs up, man? Thumbs up, dude. Thumbs up, dude. Now, this is the cool part about being in these little, you know, park things or whatever. You start it up and it sounds so much more ferocious. Hold on. So now I am back home. I just got done walking Queen, giving her some food, water, all that good stuff. Now it's time to switch whips, get up out the Bloody Cat, get up in the Ram Breezy, man. So without further ado, pocket my damn keys in right here. Let's go ahead and start the Ram Breezy, baby. And for anybody who knows how to cut some hair here, any barbers that subscribe to the channel on the LG Squad, hit me up, DM me on Instagram, on any social media platform. Instagram probably has the best bet, man. DM me, I definitely need to get cut up. I got big whiskers and all that stuff right here. So make sure you holler at your boy, man, because I got to get touched up, baby. But without further ado, let's get up in the Ram Breezy and let's head up out of here. Make sure y'all follow all social media platforms, Tall Guy Car Reviews on Instagram, Snapchat, subscribers who watch this video, and give your boy a young follow on that Facebook, man. Let's hop up in here and let's go. I enjoyed the Ram Breezy ever since the Bloody Cat been here, man. Look at that thing, though. Big ferocious. Look at the Hellcat on the top. Damn, that's cold, man. Look at the Ram. Yeah, listen. Let's get up out here, man. Like I said, if you know how to cut hair, you ain't gonna push your boy's hairline back and give me that receding joint, make sure you holler at me, man, because I definitely need to get touched up. Introduce yourself.
Eddie from Critical Thinking Dog Services. I'm here to pick up
Queen.
Yeah.
I didn't tell him his name yet, y'all, so it's not his fault, it's my fault.
I'm excited to work, really excited to work with her, man.
The guy who put me on to him right here was Mike. And he's Kevin Gates' bodyguard. We got some legendary content coming with that too. That's what I tell you.
I got a couple Kevin dogs at the house too. I got Boss Man and Link at at the house too, so I'm working with Kevin's dogs.
Yeah, I heard. So that's legendary, man. Congrats on that too, man. Kevin Gates is an iconic motherfucker, man. Yeah, yeah. Tell them your Instagram.
Critical Thinking Dog Services.
Critical Thinking Dog Services. I'm gonna have it pop up right there, man. Then I'm gonna put your link in the description below. You got a YouTube channel and all that?
Oh no, not yet, but I'm with.
Oh yeah, you are on a YouTuber now. I gotta put you onto that, champ. You know what I'm saying?
We're gonna get there. We're building platforms.
For sure. Iron sharpen irons, man.
Building bridges everywhere. I mean, I'm here to build bridges, not trying to burn them. You know what I mean?
Facts.
The more and more people I meet, the more dogs I train, the more and more I know I'm gonna build up more and more structure. You know what I mean? And just develop a better company for everybody all around.
Absolutely.
We're trying to build that energy so we all can get. I mean, that's what life's about. You know what I mean? Helping each other out, get better in life. You know what I mean?
Couldn't say any better, brother. I ain't gonna lie to you, man. So tell them if they want to get a hold of you, they want to get their dogs trained with Queen over here, the legendary Connie Corso herself. How can they get a hold of you?
Critical Thinking Dog Services at Instagram. Get a hold of me or call me up. I have my links on the bio. My phone number's on my bio and stuff like that. So
okay.
All my information.
Well, tell me the phone number too. I'll put it up there for
them. My phone number's on 626-324-1542. Call me up anytime.
Tell them your name.
24/7. Eddie Pena. Critical Thinking Dog Services. My number one thing is I love dogs, man. So that's my number one thing is I'm just trying to train all the dogs in the world, man. Try to help them from not getting euthanized, man. So that's my number one.
All right, man. Well, I appreciate you, man. Well, everybody stay tuned, man, because by the time you're going to have Queen for what, a month?
Yes, sir.
And we're going to do boarding and we're going to get her all the way structured.
All the reconstruction for her structure and get her pat down for you so you can take her anywhere you want to go, brother.
I appreciate that. Yeah, man. I can't take no more shit in my Ram Reezy and all that, man. I can't do that, man. You know what I'm saying?
None of that no more.
Nah, fuck no. Look at her, though. Queen. She looks ferocious. Yeah. Queen, here. Come here. See, she good. Come on, baby. Come here. Come on. Over here. Come on. Good girl. Oh, you got to go bye-bye, baby. See you later.
You're gonna be good, mama. You're gonna be good.
All right, as y'all can tell, it is a new day. Damn, dude took his for the other day. Okay, champ, I see you actually do drive the damn thing, man. He drove the ACR Viper too, because you can tell it's parked in forward. This person, whoever owns this McLaren, they don't never drive that damn thing. They be just letting that thing collect dust. There's a lot of legendary cars in here that y'all know of already, that y'all seen in multiple videos, man. And yeah, a lot of people don't drive them nice ass cars. It's crazy, man. But the person with this Lamborghini, he actually be driving that because that joint's gone every now and again. It'd be gone every day if it was mine. I ain't gonna lie to you. Ram Reezy, Hellcat. Come on, man. Y'all see the title? You see the thumbnail, man. Bloody Cat. I said Hellcat, didn't I? Why am I always messing up like that? All right, y'all. Now we are here at RDBLA, man. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel and all that good stuff. They got some new whips up in here too. They got the 512 Rari. You know, I can only tell because they got the numbers right there, man. And then you got the Raptor, of course. You got the Demon, Mercedes G-Wagon, Tesla. Come on, man. Big top level whips. There go my guy Vic right there, y'all. But pretty much what we're about to do, man, we're about to take all the parts off the Bloody Cat and put them on the Hellcat, right, Vic? Swap time. Oh, it's swap time. Y'all heard my guy Vic, man.
We're answering the fans. We're getting the Hellcat back.
Yep.
And we're just gonna transfer. We're gonna transfer all the parts onto this. So
they shouldn't even take the Hellcat then.
Oh well, we're getting it back.
Yeah, I know. There go my other guy right here. Say what's up, man. What's up? It's the first time in the well, this ain't your first time in my video. You've been around there.
Yeah.
Introduce yourself to them for the ones who ain't subscribed to RDB already.
Yeah. My name's RDB Moses.
There you go, RDB Moses. Why you looking like that, Vic?
RDB in front of everything, apparently.
Yeah, facts, man. Am I gonna need like a tune and all that stuff put on here for my brother's Hellcat?
I don't think you need a tune per se, but it would be good, yeah.
Yeah, it wouldn't hurt, huh?
No, definitely not.
Okay, so there y'all go, man. That's pretty much what's happening. We're getting the Hellcat tomorrow morning.
We're gonna tow it back, yeah.
They should never even took the damn thing, like I said, but
they came, they rushed taking it. It was kind of out of our hands, honestly. And then when you called, you straightened everything out.
right.
We're gonna get it back and do our thing, yeah.
Yeah, literally take every part off the Hellcat and put it on the Bloody Cat. So there y'all go. That's the update, right?
Yeah.
Well, I appreciate you, Vic.
Yeah, no problem.
All right, my guy. Look like I'm about to be back up here every day again. You know what I'm saying?
Yes,
See you, fellas. Y'all have a good one, man. Oh, my car right here. I'm taking this till tomorrow. I think that's the new concept Wrangler or whatever they got right there. That's got to be it, though, right? I mean, look at the things on the wheels, though. It's a little weird, doesn't it? I think it's crazy. I mean, I think it's going to be a big seller, though, that Jeep Wrangler pickup truck or whatever. Look at the wheel things. Huh. That looks a little weird to me. I ain't gonna lie. See a Wrangler as a pickup? Yeah, that's big weird. But it looks kind of cool though at the same time, right? It's a little crashed up with it. They got a little tape and everything on that joint. This is definitely concept or something. Look at the back window and all that. This is crazy, right? Look over here. See all that tape or whatever the hell that thing is right there? All the wire coverings and whatnot. The stuff on the wheels is, look at all the tape, all that stuff. Like, see, it's got to be one of them ones that they're still working on, right? Because that thing looks crazy, but kind of cool at the same time. I think, what y'all think? I think that thing's gonna sell a lot. I want to do a review on that joint when they actually come out with and everything like that. All right, G Squad, and just like that, your boy is back, man. Back downtown LA at my humble abode, man. Just got done running a bunch of errands today, man. Super tired, exhausted. But like I said earlier in the video, make sure y'all stay tuned for all the legendary content to come your way with my brother's Bloody Cat, The Life of Jeremy Barrett. Make sure you go subscribe to his channel. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. As you're watching this video, if you haven't done so already, click that bell, hit that thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. Don't skip the ads if you skipped any of this video, man. But got a lot of legendary content coming up y'all way as far as like swapping them parts over. Y'all heard my guy Vic over there at RDB. Make sure you go subscribe to them. All their info will be in the description below. And another thing to reiterate from what I said earlier in the video, if you're a barber and you call with that yin, 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 make sure you hit me up on Instagram, Tall Guy Car Reviews, and we're gonna collaborate and do something together because I need a consistent barber who can keep these cat whiskers up off my face and keep this soul glow nice and curly and shiny, you know what I mean? And also, as you can tell, I got a bunch of tattoos. You know, if you're a tattoo artist and you cold with that yin, 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 again, make sure you hit me up, man, because I'm thinking about getting some more tattoos and stuff like that. Make sure I stay tuned for that, because I'm definitely gonna get the tats for sure. So, like I said, if you here in LA and you cold with the tats and you cold with them clippers, make sure you holler at me, man. But your boy Tall Guy, I'm out of here. I'll be going to RDB tomorrow. Yeah, y'all guess it. I'm gonna be up in that thing a lot, man, because I got a lot of stuff coming, like I said, with both of the Hellcats and stuff. They just swapped it over. So pretty much the Bloody Cat is about to become the new Hellkeezy, just with 2 more extra doors. So stay tuned for that, man. And I'm going up there tomorrow because I have to pick up my Hellcat back from the place, bring it back to RDB, drop my brother's Bloody Cat off there, doing a whole bunch of different stuff, man. But if you miss one video, baby, you're gonna be all the way out the loop. And I gotta eat my dinner now, man. It's been a long day. I gotta edit this video, post this video, and I gotta get to my grind as well. My grind ain't over yet, man. So Tall Guy, I'll see you on the next video. Actually, y'all wanna see the meal prep, man? So I got breakfast, lunch, and dinner cooked already. Here's my breakfast right here. Boom. For the rest of the week, all the way until Sunday. I got spinach, avocados, egg whites, and turkey up in that joint right there. And like I said, this is just till Sunday, so there's 4 more days left in the week. So that's why you see 4 of each. And then right here, you got, you know, mixed veggies, brown rice, and chicken breast. Got that. Come on, man, with the saute. You see the crispiness of it. Type left in the oven a little too long, but I ain't gonna embarrass myself. And then right here, you got the mixed veggies with potatoes and salmon, if I'm saying that right, avocados and spinach on the top. That shit don't need to look pretty. It just needs to get the job done, and I believe it did. But let me go out here and end the video on the balcony. Man, this view never gets old. It's so crazy not having Queen here, man, because it just feels a lot more lonely here now. But anyways, let me go ahead, take you out here, see the balcony furniture and all that, man. It just, I come out here every single morning before I start my day, after I get done with my workouts and stuff like that, just to count my blessings, take it all in, man, because every single day, even though I've been here now for almost 2 months, just about, yeah, still got a little bit of time, but it just feels so crazy and so surreal every single day. So I just come out here and count my blessings, man, thank the Most High God, and then I go about my grind, man. But that's it for this video, man. None of me else to talk about G Squad. Like I said, I got to go in here and post this, edit this, but like I said, if you cold with the tats, you cold with the, you know, the barber, the clipper skills, make sure you holler at me, man. I got to edit, post this video, and I'll see you on the next video, baby. Tall Guy, I'm out.